Hey man, YouTube, we back. I ain't seen y'all in a good minute, yeah. To be honest, I ain't been uploading because I just been lazy as shit. I ain't got nothing else to say. I don't have no shit. Like, I get up, wake up, be like, I'm gonna try and make like 4, 3, 6 reactions today. Then I hop on Fortnite, and then next thing I know, like 10 hours pass, and I go back to sleep. So today I finally got up. It's only gonna be a short video today though. I might try and release maybe like 2, but school time about to come and that's stressing me out already. Even though I ain't going to school until like another 2 weeks. I ain't even went shopping yet. Like, they gotta calm down. They start school earlier and earlier each year. It's really frustrating. But man, the Popeye sandwiches, them bitches been. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never had Chick-fil-A in my life. I could have went, but it just was never that serious to me. But ain't nothing better than that Popeye sandwich, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Them first like 2 bites I took, that shit was something different. I ain't gonna lie. But I ain't gonna lie though, when I got to like the 3rd bite, I was like, this shit is not that good. Like, it ain't hit like that first second bite hit. And first, second bite, I was acting a little crazy. I needed another sandwich. I was about to get to going crazy. Like, why you ain't get? I was like, Ma, why you ain't get me 2? And she know I eat a lot too. But hey, we got RCDC World. Yeah, that's like that. What's that? Is it RC? Yeah, RDC World. And they got a video. What is it called? How Chick-fil-A workers was when they heard about the new Popeye sandwich. Yeah, it's about to be some funny ass shit. I should start reacting to their videos. They should be funny as hell. They usually be short though, but man, hopefully I'm back now. I'll try and upload while during school and stuff. I'm trying to upload though a lot before I even start though. But I don't know, this school here about to stress me it's about to stress me out. Alright man, we got RDC World reaction. We gonna start in 3, 2, oh shit. My fucking headphones. The fuck? Forgot to throw this shit on. Yo, my whole earmuff just came off. Fuck it. This shit, you know. Why? Whole fucking earmuff. The whole earmuff just flew off. I ain't gonna lie, these been under heavy use for 2 years, so I do need a new pair, but. Alright, we got it. Okay, I'm gonna just work with this. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Popeye's got a chicken sandwich.
Bro, that shit don't even sound good, bro.
It'd be nasty.
He said that shit don't even sound good.
Yeah, can I get a Popeye's chicken sandwich?
And what else?
What else?
Bro, who talks to their customers like that?
This rude ass customer service finna piss me off, bro.
Bro, why are we at this dirty ass?
Oh yeah, and they be saying like
that's it.
Chick-fil-A got the.
Alright, pull up to the
They be
window.
having some nice.
Yeah, I'ma see you at the window.
Some good customer
I
service.
promise I'ma see him at the window. That's what I'm saying. This shit dirty as hell, bro.
Niggas can have over 2 stars on their reviews, bro.
He said 2 stars.
You think I can get some? Get that shit out my face.
Damn. Yo, they got the top. Yo. These niggas is stupid. Yo, these niggas is stupid. Yo, that was it though. That bitch was short. Hey. I ain't gonna lie, that sandwich, man, I'm gonna go get a chick. I might as well have made a full video of my own goddamn self. I was gonna make like a mukbang, come back and go get like 3 chicken and 4 chicken sandwiches and get the bang in them bitches, but I don't know, maybe no, that's a little too late. No, I ain't got time for that. Yeah, but, hey man, hopefully y'all be back. Hopefully y'all, it wasn't really nothing to react to because it was short, but that shit was funny. I should watch it again. I'll probably watch it after. Alright man, if y'all enjoyed the reaction, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We back, man. I'll upload something probably after this. I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging, but like, comment, subscribe, man. Talk to y'all in the next video, man. Peace. Man, that nigga, that shit hilarious.